Imagine a muscle car that refuses to let go of its legendary heritage while embracing the future with premium luxury, cutting-edge technology, and thrilling performance. That's exactly what the rumored 2027 Ford Mustang is expected to deliver. If you've always believed that a Mustang should be more than just speed, this next generation model might completely change the way you look at America's most iconic sports coupe. Stay with us because the upgrades are far more impressive than you might expect. The first thing that grabs your attention is the bold new design. The 2027 Mustang is expected to evolve rather than completely reinvent itself, keeping its unmistakable fastback silhouette while adding sharper body lines, a more aggressive front fascia, and slimmer LED headlights. Every angle feels sculpted for speed, yet refined enough to compete with premium European sports cars. A wider stance, redesigned grille, and aerodynamic improvements give it a stronger road presence than ever before. New wheel designs, signature lighting animations, and fresh exterior colors are also expected to give buyers more opportunities to personalize their dream Mustang. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice that luxury has become a much bigger priority. The cabin is expected to feature premium leather upholstery, soft touch materials, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting. The dashboard could be dominated by a large digital display that seamlessly combines the instrument cluster with the infotainment system, creating a futuristic cockpit experience. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a premium Bang & Olufsen sound system, wireless charging, and advanced voice controls are all likely to be part of the package. Improved seating comfort with heated and ventilated front seats will make long-distance driving just as enjoyable as spirited weekend adventures. Technology is also expected to take a major leap forward. Ford could introduce an upgraded SYNC infotainment system with faster processing, over-the-air software updates, AI-powered navigation, and enhanced driver personalization. Advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane centering assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system may become standard or widely available across the lineup. These features would make the Mustang not only exciting to drive, but also practical for everyday use. Of course, no Mustang is complete without exceptional performance. Reports suggest the legendary 5.0-liter Coyote V8 could continue with even more power and improved efficiency. A turbocharged EcoBoost engine is also expected for drivers seeking a balance of performance and fuel economy. Ford may further refine the suspension, steering, and chassis to provide sharper handling while maintaining excellent ride comfort. Whether paired with a responsive automatic transmission or the beloved manual gearbox, the driving experience should remain thrilling. Rumors also hint at hybrid-assisted technology that could deliver stronger acceleration while meeting stricter emission standards without sacrificing the Mustang's unmistakable character. Safety is expected to be another strong point. Ford will likely strengthen the vehicle structure while expanding its suite of intelligent safety technologies. Improved crash protection, smarter parking assistance, traffic sign recognition, and enhanced night driving capabilities could make the 2027 Mustang one of the safest performance cars in its class. When it comes to pricing, nothing has been officially confirmed yet, but industry expectations suggest the base model could start around $35,000 to $40,000 in the United States, while higher performance GT and luxury trims could easily exceed $60,000, especially with premium options and performance packages. The 2027 Ford Mustang appears ready to prove that muscle cars can deliver luxury, advanced technology, and breathtaking performance all in one unforgettable package. If Ford delivers on these expectations, this could become one of the most exciting Mustangs ever built. Would you choose the powerful V8, or would you be interested in a future hybrid performance version? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest automotive news and upcoming vehicle reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
When our good intentions only got